Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the receptor ligand interaction. This is also part of the radioimmunoassays. What is the how to use radioimmunoassay and what is the ligand receptor ligand interactions. What is the how to our receptors and the ligand interact with each other. So, interaction between molecules and the protein on within the target cell, one type of ligand receptor interaction can be between steroid hormone and their cytoplasmic or the nuclear receptors. Another can be between secreted by the polypeptide ligands and the transmembrane receptors. Extracellular signals molecules are released by the signal cells. The signal is called the ligand, and the molecule that is bound by the protein from the Latin lingua, meaning to the bind. The ligand bind to the specific receptor on the target cells. The ligand receptor interaction include the conformational of the shape changes in the receptor produce a specific response called as a cellular response. Can include vast array of compound as a small amino acid derivatives, small peptides, proteins. The ability of the protein to bind or interact with the ligands depends on the formation of weak or non-covalent bonds between them. The process is the relies to the sequence of the amino acid and the each protein on the way which are their side chains, which is R group. Different kind of chains can from the different bonds because of the protein interaction can be very specific. So there are generally types of chemical interaction between ligand and receptor are the covalent interaction from when two different atoms share electrons in the outer atomic orbitals and the inversible interaction. Non-covalent interaction is the ionic bonds and the hydrogen bonds and bondable interactions. Estrogen receptor interactions, the estrogen are involved in the growth development of hemostasis, a number of tissues. The physical effect of these steroids are mediated by the ligand inducible nucleic transcription factors that is called as the estrogen receptors. It has a hormone binding to the ligand binding domain that is called LBD or ER initiated the series of the molecular events and uh, the functional domains of ER are N-terminus and the hygiene region, which is called the D domains, and the C-terminus is called as the F domain, contain 42 amino acids. The F domain was found to modulate gene transcription in the ligand for the specific manners. So there is a difference, there is a binding between ER and the LBD, which is called E domain structure, contain 100 alleles. The first crystal structure of the ER-LBD bound to the natural ligand that is called 17P estradiol showed that the compact cavity which is hydrophobic, which is required a hydrophobic environment, and the bond between is there is a hydrogen bond. So this is all about the interaction between ligand and the receptors. Thank you.